Well, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and nearly 1 in 5 adults live with a mental illness. Now, one Hoosier is striving to help those overcome their mental struggles and addiction.
And Matthew Foltz is joining us now in the studio with how this woman is doing this and how you can find ways to actually get involved. Coming up this weekend, right?
Yeah, that's right. Going to be a big conference coming up, and the need is very crucial right here in Indiana. We're talking about only 31% of Indiana is currently being met with their mental health needs. However, that one Hoosier woman says she's helping to increase those numbers through her new profession.
Nobody should feel ashamed to be on medication or go to therapy for any kind of mental health issue or, substance abuse as well.
Here at the Indiana Center for Recovery in Bloomington, Katherine Hulsey knows firsthand how hard addiction and mental health struggles can be.
Depression and anxiety is something that I've struggled with a lot. It's something that I can empathize a lot with the clients, patients I work with.
The 27-year-old Hoosier struggled with an eating disorder while in her teens, relapsing multiple times while in college. Now she's using her story and her degree to help those fighting their own battles as a physician assistant or PA.
It's satisfying when people say, I'm ready to go out in the real world, cravings are low, and I feel like I can handle it.
However, the need for more mental health resources here in Indiana is crucial. Right now, 83 of the state's 92 counties have a shortage of mental health professionals. That's according to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
There is a severe shortage in mental health workers across the country, period.
Lisa Gables leads the American Academy of Physician Associates, a healthcare company made up of roughly 150,000 PAs striving to meet the needs of those struggling with mental health, one patient at a time.
Because oftentimes, particularly in primary care, PAs are the first person that a patient will see. So we're training as many people as possible, continuing our training to make sure that they understand they can get help.
And some good news this morning is that there will be a conference taking place this weekend at the Convention Center in downtown Indy with tons of mental health resources from the AAPA. Meanwhile, Olympic gymnast Simone Biles will also be there to talk about her battle with mental illness. We'll have more information on that conference and how you can register later this morning at WTHR.com.